You've heard of cauliflower rice, right? Well, let me show you how to make your own. It's going to be cheaper and it's much better for you than typical rice or pasta. Cauliflower rice is so easy and quick to make. You basically throw your chopped cauliflower in a food processor with whatever seasonings you want. Today I'm using sea salt, black pepper, turmeric, garlic powder, and onion powder. You just want to pulse it in a food processor until all the pieces are about the same size and mimic the size of rice. Cauliflower is a really great source of fiber. Did you know that none of us are getting enough fiber in our diet? It's because of those ultra-processed foods in the grocery stores today. They strip all the fiber from those foods, so they have a long shelf life. It's really important that we focus on fiber at every meal. It helps us with our digestion. Cauliflower is also high in antioxidants. Did you know it is also high in vitamin C? There's so many ways that you can serve cauliflower rice. It pairs really well with chicken and fish. And you can also serve it as your base for a one-bowl meal. Adding herbs is a great idea as well. Be sure to think outside the box when it comes to healthy eating and cooking. It doesn't have to be boring or super time-consuming.